Hello guys, today I'll show how can we duplicate or migrate a site from one domain to another domain using duplicator plugin. First we need to install and activate this plugin. Which site we want to backup or migrate. Let's install this plugin. Okay. Then we need to create a new package here. It takes some time to scan and build everything. Okay, then check yes, continue and build full site backup package. It is starting and building a package. It will take some time. Our package ready. Now just download the packages. We need to download installer and archive both. Okay, it is downloading. Our files successfully downloaded. Okay, then we need to upload our cpanel or folder directory where we want to deploy this backup site or migration site. Okay, let's upload. Archive and installer. Then upload the installer.php file. Okay, yes. It's need to rename here. Name changes. Okay, just rename this as a installer and make sure it is installer.php only. Okay, now we need to load this and hit that URL. Okay, where we have set up this. Now we need to click installer.php file. Okay, let's try again. It is my server issue maybe. Oops. Sorry, it was my server issue. Now let's try. Check this and press next. Then we have to put our database username and password. Let's copy the database name from here. I have putted my database name, username and password. Let's now test database. See, everything okay. Then press next. Okay, now it is start working. Okay, it will take some time. Our setup done. Let's go WP admin area. See, our site is ready and it is successfully migrated from that domain. Okay, thanks for watching. It is really simple and easy to migrate a site from one domain to another domain. Thank you.